Okay, our fourth objective for today is to learn about some of the features that Google Docs has to offer. I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to use these features step by step, but I just want to show you that they are available to you. If you want more information on how to use these features, check back to the website or email me, and I can always give you a hand. I'm going to go off script here because there are many different features, so please bear with me. Let's start first with the feature of creating a survey. Underneath the new, if you want to go to create a document, which I showed you earlier, you have to click on new, and underneath new is the choice of form. And what I did is I created a form. Now, in efforts to save time, I created one already, and here it is, naturalization test. This is something we use as a hook at the beginning of our Constitution unit to see how much our students know about the Constitution and our federal government. Um, this is the survey. If we click on form, you have to give it a second. I'm recording here on my computer, so it's taking up some memory and it's a little bit slow. Your computer won't be as slow. And here it is. This is a survey where you get to choose your own title, your own directions, a name bar, and you can add questions, create them. It's very simple once you fool around inside Google Docs and learn through doing. But let me just show you how to share a survey like this that I created. It's simple. You go to email this form and send it to any address you'd like. I'll send it to myself. I've already done so. So there's going to be a couple copies in my mailbox, but click on send and it is sent. So I'm going to clear this out of the way. And the one thing you'll notice using Google Docs is every time you click on Docs Home, it's going to open a new tab in your browser. I'm pretty sure it's the same using the internet browser. So I'm going to go to Docs Home because that's where my mailbox is. In the upper left-hand corner, there's a link to go back to my mail. I could have just clicked on the other tab, which is my earlier uh, web page, web browser. And there it is. This is the link that your collaborators will get. And inside the email is your survey. And the student or collaborator can fill it out. They can put their name, and when they go to the very bottom, and let's speed through everything, and click submit, that information will then be sent to your Google Docs, and you will see it pop up under whichever name was put in. So you can see a student filled it in. It'll show them their answer for each question. You can even get a summary of these answers to see where students are getting either questions right or wrong, or where students or where parents are filling out certain choices for a survey, where teachers are filling out certain choices for a survey. All that is right there. Okay, here it is. And here's a summary of all the responses. I've only had 6 responses. I haven't sent this out yet, but it'll show you a pie chart on where exactly the choices or who's been choosing the choices and the numbers. So that's an interesting feature.